Addiction can feel like a heavy chain, locking you into old habits and stealing your hope. You may feel powerless, as if the chains are too strong to break. But remember, you're not alone in this fight. In a single moment, everything can change. A spark of realization ignites.
A lot of you have seen how this YouTube channel that creates these stick animations are currently blowing up on YouTube. This is a new niche I'd suggest you go into right now because it's really hot. According to Social Blade, this channel you see right here has over 200,000 subscribers with just 8 uploads on YouTube, and they currently have about 4 million to 5 million subscribers on their channel. They're currently making about $13,000 in a month and about $165,000 every year. This is really a wonderful niche to go into as a new YouTuber. This is very simple to create, and that is why I created this video, to teach you the simplest ways to create these animations for free. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Stickman movie using artificial intelligence, and of course how you can even create better Stickman content than any other YouTube channel. So if you're interested in this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next upload. First, we're going to be prompting ChatGPT, and to do that, we're going to be copying the prompt here. I already left that in the Telegram channel for you guys to use. So here on ChatGPT, we're going to come here to the plus icon, and we're going to be uploading a picture file, an image, which I'm going to be leaving for you guys in the description. Alright, so you're going to be copying that, and here you're going to come here to click on reason, and also you're going to come here to paste the prompt. Make sure you click on reason so that it actually thinks more about this picture before it generates it. That is a very simple trick I'm going to be leaving for you guys. Then after that, we're going to come here to copy the next prompt. Here we're going to be sending this second prompt to it, telling it to create a motivational script using this image prompt. Alright, so it's going to automatically develop a script for you. But then if you do not want to use this script and you want to create your own video and with your own title, you're going to come here to copy the next prompt, which is the prompt 3. Here I told ChatGPT to create a motivational script on the topic killing addiction. So basically it's going to come here to explain addiction and of course give us image prompts very similar to that of the Stickman effect. Not really similar exactly like the Stickman effect. Okay, so basically you can see what it has come up with for us. So now we are going to have to copy out the narrations, that is the scripts. So the way to do this is very simple. Here you can see all the scripts and the narrations here. All you just need to do is copy them out and paste them in a notepad right here. So I always copy all of them and put them in a notepad so that it will be easy for me to generate a voice or a voice script for it. Alright, using 11 labs. So basically I will just copy out all of the text, right, test script, and then paste them here. Then after copying out everything to the notepad, you're going to come here to select everything and copy it. Now we're going to go to 11 labs and we're going to be generating a voice over for this, and for that we're going to come here to select the voice we want to use. So once you've selected the voice, you come here to paste the text. So after pasting the text, very easily you then go ahead to generate your script. So that is super easy. You can see what I just did right now. Once you have analyzed the text and everything is looking good, you can go ahead to generate. Automatically it saves on my device, so you can also set yours to automatically save just like this. So next I'll come here to ChatGPT and I'm going to type this prompt: create prompts for each paragraphs as I post it. Alright, are you ready? So basically I like using this prompt because sometimes ChatGPT always generates very few prompts for the whole script, which is not usually enough. So I always like prompting ChatGPT to create image prompts for each script so that they can have access to create more images, okay, using my image creation app. So basically I'll just copy the paragraphs by paragraphs and then paste it on ChatGPT, and then it automatically generates image prompts for each of the paragraphs, so I wouldn't have to get stuck with very few images. So that is a simple idea you can take from there. So the next thing is generating your images. So with that, we're going to be coming here to Leonardo AI very easily. All you just need to do is copy the image prompt for all your pictures and all the paragraphs that you already listed. All right, and then you come here to select Phoenix 1.0. Then you come here to set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and then you can go ahead to paste your prompt, and then you click OK, and automatically it's going to generate prompts for you. As you can see, these are the prompts. They are really looking cool. You see that? You can go ahead to download anyone that you have generated and that you love. Anyone you don't love, you can go ahead to regenerate. So let me show you some of the images I currently generated using Leonardo AI. You can see they are looking really cool, really cool. Exactly. So now the next thing is to transform these images to videos, and I'll be coming here to Hello AI. Basically, I'll just come here to look for an area of the script that just gives that is of each paragraph that just gives the image a description, and then I'll come here to Hello AI, and then I would come here to upload the image right here, and then just at this place I will describe the image or what the person is currently doing in the image. So it's just going to give you an idea of what you want it to generate, and then automatically it generates it. So this is how I do for all the whole images, and they were really looking cool. Once you're done, you can go ahead to download it. Now for editing this, we're going to be using CapCut. Alright, but before we go into CapCut, we're going to be coming here to the voiceover, and make sure you save the voiceover to something you can remember. So I'm going to save the voiceover from 11 Labs as motivation on addiction. Alright, so I'll return back to CapCut and then add up all the videos that I generated, the Stickman videos I just generated. I'll add up everything. If you don't want to really create this as a video form, you could just skip the section of using Hello AI, but if you want to really add some interesting feel, that way you can use Hello AI. So now I'm going to come here to add the script, that is the voiceover, and then I will search for the name here. Okay, once you search for the name, you can go ahead to add it right here, and once you've added it, you can go ahead to do so many things. You can adjust your images, add some video effects, add some transition to it, just like this, to just add some interesting feel to your work. Just make it very simple. These things don't really need something serious. Okay, just make it very simple. Then you can go ahead to add maybe like a background sound. So here I can use a background motivational sound for it, and then take it very low so that it doesn't overshadow the voice. Okay, and once you've done that, you can come here to even add sound effects. For example, here where there is chains sound, I will just add chain sound. Where the person is probably crying, I just add some those crying effects, just to make my video stand out. Just make sure that it's engaging. So basically that's the goal. I just make sure that it's engaging by adding some sound effects. Also, many of you must have noticed that some of these channels that create stick animation have actually used it on a black background. If you want your own to be like this, you come here to CapCut and click on filters. You can select any other color, but if you want the black shade, you're going to come here to click on this invert option. Alright, and automatically it changes the color for you to a dark scene.
Addiction can feel like a heavy chain, locking you into old habits and stealing your hope. You may feel powerless, as if the chains are too strong to break. But remember, you're not alone in this fight. In a single moment, everything can change. A spark of realization ignites. I want my life back. I can break free. Deciding to fight is the first step, choosing to stand up for yourself. Don't face this alone. Reach out. Friends, family, professionals. Support isn't weakness. It's the foundation of your strength. Together, you'll find the courage to break the chains of addiction. Every day you build new habits. Every day the chain weakens. Then, at last, snap, the chain breaks. This is the moment of liberation. You stand free, heart pounding, alive with possibility. Recovery isn't a finish line, it's a new beginning. You'll face challenges, but you're stronger now. You've seen that freedom is possible, and with every step forward, you rewrite your story.